Do you know how to control textures on your walls? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years, and I've been an architect for even longer. And one of the things that's really important is getting the correct textures on your walls. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do this. One way to do this is you select your walls, you go to the Render tab, and you choose the texture you want on the left and the right. The challenge with this, of course, is which side of the wall is left and which side is right. Now, the other way to do it, since we've created wall styles with components, the easy way to do this is to use by component. Now, when you do that, Vectorworks will use the component textures you've already created and assign those to the components of the wall. If you've used materials, it's even easier because by assigning the brick material to this component of the wall, it's already got the texture on it. This already has the texture for this part of the component, and so on. So using component textures is the easiest way to put your textures on the walls. Now, this doesn't always work, and there are some special cases where I like to create very special textures. But I'll cover that in my community. If you want to join my community, click on the link in the description. So just to recap, if you want to make it easy to apply your textures to the wall, start by building a wall style that has the texture included. When we edit the style, there's my cladding. If we edit that, we'll see that it's a brick clay standard unit, and therefore it's already got the texture assigned, it's already got the hatch, and so on. By doing that, when I then turn on the component textures, I can see that texture. These walls have also got component textures to them. And that's how I apply textures to my walls. I'll catch you later.